Hello students, today I am going to do the chapter quadratic equation, the chapter test, the last part of the exercise, a quadratic equation from the book M.L. Agarwal. Okay, the book name is M.L. Agarwal ICSE Mathematics for class 10. Okay, the chapter name is quadratic equation. Chapter name is quadratic equation. I am going to revise your the chapter test question given. Solve the following equation by factorization. See, solve the following equation number 1 to 4. Number 1 to 4 you have to apply factorization method for solving the equation. Okay, already I have discussed this chapter quadratic equation. I have solved many questions and today I am going to solve the M.L. Agarwal book, that is last part of the exercise, that is chapter test. Okay, the chapter is quadratic equation. Let us see. Quadratic equation. The name of the chapter is quadratic equation. Okay, and question number 1, it is given, question number 1 first part, x square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. This is given and you have to solve the equation by factorization method. You have to select two numbers whose multiplication is minus 16, addition is plus 6. The numbers are multiplication minus 16 and addition is plus 6. So what are the numbers? 8 and 2, that means plus 8x minus 2x. Plus 8 minus 2, the multiplication will give you minus 16 and if you add you will get plus 6. That means if you will break middle term, you will get plus 8x minus 2x and this is minus 16 equal to 0. From the first part I can take x common, x plus 8 left. From the last, minus 2 taken common, x plus 8 left equal to 0. After that, x plus 8 taken outside and this is x minus 2, just like factorization, middle term breaking. Okay, x plus 8 whole into x minus 2 equal to 0. So from the first part, what you will get? X is equal to minus 8 and from the second bracket you will get x is equal to 2. Okay, number 1 first part completed. Let us go to the second part. Second part question given, 3x square plus 11x minus plus 10 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given and you have to solve by factorization method. You have to select two numbers whose multiplication is 3 into 10, that is 30 and addition is 11x. Select two numbers. What are the numbers? Tell me very fast. That will be 5x and 6x. If you add you will get plus 11. If you multiply you will get plus 30 and this is plus 10 equal to 0. Just middle term is breaking, 5x plus 6x. Now from the first two you have to take x common. What is left? 3x plus 5 left. From the last you have to take 2 common. What is left? 3x plus 5. Okay, equal to 0. Next 3x plus 5 can be taken common. 3x plus 5 taken common and x plus 2 left. Okay, equal to 0. Therefore, from the first bracket you will get x is equal to minus 5 by 3 and from the second bracket x is equal to minus 2. This is the way of solving quadratic equation by the method factorization. Number 1 first part, second part already completed from your book M.L. Agarwal, that is chapter test. And next I am going to number 2. Question number 2, what is given? Just to see, question number 2 first part. It is given, question number 2 first part is given 2x square plus ax minus a square equal to 0. Okay, this is given. Now you see 2 and here minus a square, that multiplication is minus 2a square, addition is plus a. So what are the numbers? 2x square into minus a, that means 2 minus 2a square x square, multiplication, addition is plus a. The numbers are 2ax minus ax and this is minus a square equal to 0. From the first 2, you will take 2x common. What is left? X plus a left. From the last, you have to take minus x common. Left a plus x. Okay. Sorry, a taken common. Only a can be taken common. This is a square. What is left here? X left and plus a left equal to 0. Okay. Next you see x plus a taken outside. This is left 2x minus a equal to 0. Okay. After that, from the first bracket, x plus a, that is should be equal to 0, and the second bracket 2x minus a also equal to 0. In this way, I will get x is equal to how much? X is equal to minus a, and here you will get how much? X is equal to a by 2. Okay. So what is the answer? X is equal to minus a or x is equal to a by 2. In this way, I completed number 2 first part. Let us see number 2 second part. Just see. See the second part question given root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. You have to apply middle term factorization. That means multiplication is 7 root 3 into root 3. That means this will be 7 3 21. Multiplication 21, addition is 10. So what are the numbers? 3 and 7, that means 3x plus 7x, and this one is 7 root 3. Just middle term break, 3x plus 7x. If you will add, you will get 10x. If you will multiply, you will get 21x square. From the first two, we will take root 3 x common. What is left? X left, and here 1 root 3 left. Because out of 3, if you take root 3 common, 1 root 3 left here. From the last, you have to take x 7 common, left x plus root 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus root 3 taken outside, and here left root 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, from the first bracket, x is equal to how much? Minus root 3 you will get. And from the second bracket, x is equal to how much? Minus 7 by root 3. Okay. Number 2, first part, second part completed. There are 4 questions already completed. And number 3 question you see, question number 3. Question number 3, first part, it is given x whole into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 x plus 3 equal to 42. This is question given. You have to solve for x by the method factorization. First of all, you have to break the bracket. You have to open the bracket. This will be x square plus x, and if I will open the bracket, I will get x square plus 2x plus 3, that means 2 plus 5 directly I am doing, and plus 6 minus 42 equal to 0. Now all the x square is added. Here x square, here x square, that is coming 2x square, and here x, and here 5x. How much getting? Plus 6x plus 6 minus 42, it will be minus 36 equal to 0. After that, you can divide to both sides. This will be x square plus 3x minus 18. This is the quadratic equation. You have to solve by middle term. Okay. How to solve? Multiplication minus 18, addition is plus 3. The numbers are 6 and 3. That means plus 6x minus 3x. If you will add, you will get plus 3x, and if you will multiply, you will get minus 18x square. And this is minus 18. Just middle term is breaking, by which the addition will give you plus 3, multiplication will give you minus 18. Now from the first two, I have to take x common, left x plus 6. From the last two, I will take minus 3 common, that is left x plus 6. Okay. After that, you see what is left? X minus 6 whole into x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, first bracket, that is x plus 6 equal to 0, and second bracket, that is x minus 3 also equal to 0. Okay. So what is the value of x? X will be minus 6, and here x will be how much? X is equal to 3. In this way, number 3, first part I have completed. Okay. Last part I will do just number 3, second part. Just wait.